welcome back to our channel.
Hey everybody.
Today we're going to be making some beautiful smoothie bowls, but before we get into those, we just wanted to take a second and thank all of our subscribers.
Yes, thank you all so much for your support. It really means a lot to us. We enjoy bringing you content every week.
Yes, we do. It's a lot of fun. Now for these smoothie bowls, these taste even better than they look.
Y'all.
So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so let's get started on the ingredients for our first smoothie, which is going to be mine. I'm going to have a mango pineapple smoothie. All of my fruit that I'm going to put into my smoothie bowl is frozen. You can use fresh fruit if you'd like. It's just that the frozen fruit makes it thicker and it makes it cold as well. So I'm going to have some coconut water as my liquid. You can use almond milk, you can use whole milk, you can use orange juice, apple juice, whatever liquid you want to, as long as you like it and as long as you keep the measurement the same, it'll be fine. So I have some frozen pineapples, some frozen mangoes, I have some honey that I'm going to be drizzling on top of my smoothie bowl, frozen bananas, these are fresh strawberries, some sliced almonds, and fresh blueberries. I'm going to put these on top as well, along with the honey roasted granola and a fresh banana. Alright, and then all the ingredients are going to be down in the description, so you guys can refer back to them if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to start preparing the toppings for my smoothie. I'm just going to cut up a banana really quick.
And I've never seen anyone cut a banana like this. It's quite interesting.
Yeah. If you cut it like this, you won't need a cutting board.
Yeah, I see that.
And I'm not cutting all the way through the peel either. I'm just cutting just the banana.
That's cool.
It is pretty cool.
I like that.
Thank you. So I decided to put my smoothie in the freezer just to make it thicker. It would have been fine if I just left it, smooth how it was when we took it out the blender, but I just wanted it to be kind of like ice cream consistency.
Yes, and my smoothie did taste like ice cream and a banana split. It was just great. Oh my goodness. But go ahead, I'm sorry.
So I'm just putting my toppings on in a pretty way, I guess. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can just throw everything on top and go about your business. But
this is a great idea. This is my first time having a smoothie bowl. It will not be my last. This was simply delicious. I must say, you have got to try this.
Yeah, and you don't have to use these toppings either. You can use whatever. I've seen people use flax seeds, chia seeds, coconut. I do not like coconut like
any of the above.
I love the flavor of coconut, but I don't like the texture of coconut.
Same here.
So that's why I just went with coconut water. I mean, the mango is really what you can taste in the smoothie, but every now and then I'm like, oh, I tasted some pineapple, or I tasted some banana or something like that.
This is amazing.
Mm-hmm. And then like last minute, I decided to put some cinnamon on top. I didn't do it in the show you guys the cinnamon when I did the ingredients, because it was kind of spur of the moment. I was like, oh, that'd be pretty if I put some cinnamon. And then the cinnamon on top of the almonds and the granola,
man,
was delicious.
Yes, it was. I tasted hers too, y'all. So
yeah, I tasted hers.
Oh, they're so good. I'm glad we did this.
Yes, I am too. I can't wait to have another one.
Yep.
But my mom's gonna tell you her ingredients that she used for her smoothie bowl.
Okay, so for my smoothie, I'm going to be making a pineapple, banana, blueberry smoothie. And I'm also going to be putting in some coconut water for my liquid. And I'm going to be using, here's my frozen blueberries. I have some frozen pineapple, as well as my frozen banana. Now, I love frozen fruit in my smoothie, as Ricki was saying, because it makes it colder. I've tried smoothies with fruit unfrozen, and it just didn't work for me. It made it kind of warm. And I'm also going to be using some honey for a little sweetness, about a tablespoon of that. And on top, I'm going to be cutting up a fresh banana, some honey roasted walnuts, my favorite, and some fresh blueberries, fresh strawberries. And I might put this granola on there, but we're going to see. See, it just depends on how I feel when I get done. And I have chopped up some pistachios, which I love. So, and as always, these ingredients and all their measurements will also be below in the description. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I have my smoothie blended up. I use my pineapples and bananas and a little bit of blueberries for color and as well as flavor. And I did put it in the freezer for about an hour because I wanted to be able to have that texture as if I was eating ice cream or like a slushy kind of texture, which was perfect. So I left it in the freezer for about an hour. And so that was just great. Or you don't have to do that if you want, you know, but that's just the way I wanted to do it for my first time having a smoothie bowl, and it was great. So I love the bananas. The bananas just, it's good for the sweetness too. That's what I normally use in my smoothies. I'll use bananas or a little bit of honey for sweetness, so that was perfect. And this, the fruit and the mixture of the nuts and everything, one moment I felt as if I was eating, it tasted as if I was eating a banana split, and then ice cream, and then a slushy, a smoothie. It was just great.
Yeah, I'd never seen pistachios on a smoothie bowl, but it was delicious.
Yeah, I love pistachios. So, and it really helps if you put things in it that you love, and then that's what makes it taste even better.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I love these almonds too. That was a good choice. I wasn't going to put the granola on my smoothie bowl at first either. And that was a good choice.
She had something against granola in the beginning.
I did.
I don't know what granola did to
Hey,
her.
I had something against the granola, the smoothie bowls to begin with.
True.
I was like, a smoothie bowl? No, I'll just do a smoothie. But I'm always learning from my daughter, which is great. I'm never too old to learn, y'all. Just remember that. You can always learn.
Right.
So we learn from each other, which is great.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then this honey, as you can see, I just wanted a little bit. I didn't want a whole lot because I already had the bananas for sweetness. So that worked out really good. And I use apple pie spice on top of my bananas.
That's a game changer.
Ooh, game changer, y'all. I'm telling you. Just check it out.
Mm-hmm.
So these were great.
Yeah, these are good. I would say these are good for any time of the year.
Mm-hmm.
I need one during the winter.
Y'all let us know if y'all decide to try these, okay?
Yes, and let us know what smoothies you use because you can turn any smoothie into a smoothie bowl.
True. That's true.
Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys.
Thank you for your support.
All right, see you guys in the next video.
See ya.